Hey y'all, it's me Alex. Today I am doing a collab video with my friend Lisa Lobotomy here on YouTube. If you don't know about Lisa or haven't watched her channel, what are you doing? She makes some of the best eye looks I've ever seen. She also has a passion for indie makeup, much like myself. So we're collabing. We're doing a face-off using, where is it? The Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. As you can tell, mine is very well loved. And if you don't know what a face-off is, it's like a palette bingo, but we each use the same shades. So basically what we do is we pick 5 shades and then we fight to the death. We each have to create a look using those 5 shades. They're probably going to turn out different because we are different people with different tastes and ideas for makeup. So I'm so excited. I really can't wait to see what she comes up with. And quite frankly, I can't wait to see what I come up with because I haven't looked at what the shades are yet because, you know, I'm just a really organized and well thought out YouTuber, you know. I'm gonna pull it up on my instant grandma because, you know, I've already made that joke once, but the jokes I make are kind of like Lay's potato chips in that you really can't have it just once. I'm funny. I'm also a little loopy because I've been extremely tired and now I'm finally feeling like a functional human being. Okay, so anyway, the shades we got were Buon Fresco, which is the mauve shade, which is probably my least favorite shade in the palette. So we're already off to a great start. Then we got Golden Ochre, which is literally on the other end of the color spectrum. So it is like literally my hand's shade right there. Great. Red Ochre. So many kinds of ochre in here. Okay, this is actually one of my favorites. Love this shade. Burnt Orange. I like this one for a more natural look. That one. And then Vermeer. Yet another favorite of mine. So this is going to be a very interesting look because I kind of don't necessarily always use these shades together, especially not like the top one because I don't know why. I just don't really go for like the mauve shades in this palette. I don't know, so this is going to be an interesting like color palette to work with. So let me just prime my eyes and I'll come up with something. So I think I want to kind of do like a reverse smoky eye, maybe, possibly, I don't know. You know what, I'm just going to begin with that shape and then I'll see what I can do with the colors. So I'm going to just begin with Burnt Orange and I'm going to just start it in my inner corner and kind of work it up towards the crease. This is what I usually use as a transition shade. I was kind of disappointed that we didn't get some of the deeper colors in this palette because those are usually what I tend to work with most, but it's fine, it's fine. I'm just terrified of light colors on my own eyes, so that's great. And yeah, these are probably the colors that other people consider normal, so, and if I didn't look tired before, I certainly do now. I feel like the next step I'll do is kind of take a little bit of Golden Ochre and use that. Can y'all be quiet out there? It's the Lord's Day. Excuse you. Okay, I'm gonna take some Golden Ochre and I'm gonna kind of take that towards the top and bottom. I'm gonna just take it along the top of this, I guess. Because this really honestly just blends in with my skin tone, but you know, gotta use it, whatever. So I think what I can do is I can blend it out with this shade on top and then use Buon Fresco to blend it out kind of on the bottom maybe, because those are just both really light shades that I would only really use to kind of blend other things out. Okay, this kind of looks like I'm just like wearing a hint of stage makeup, honestly. So now I'm going to go in with Red Ochre because I really am just looking for some drama here. And I'm going to put that towards the inner corner first. And then I'm going to kind of blend it out a tiny bit. I'm just going to bring it into my crease and then after I kind of put the color down, I'll blend it out a little bit more, I think. This kind of almost makes me look like a little sick, and I'm kind of very into it, so, I mean, honestly, if your makeup doesn't make you look like you have the bubonic plague, you're probably not doing makeup right, honestly. And now, where is the brush I was using? I'm going to use a little bit more of Burnt Orange to kind of blend that out. And I'm also kind of taking the burnt orange and just kind of fluffing it onto my lid. This is going to be a very, well, this is obviously going to be a very grungy look. And I'm not taking any more product, I'm just kind of putting that on my lower lash line a little bit. Now I think I want to try and incorporate Buon Fresco. I don't know how well it's going to go because I just make a lot of bad decisions in my life and I don't know if this is one of them yet. But I'm just going to blend. Okay, actually I kind of like that though. It really adds to the whole bruised effect that I'm going for actually. Because I don't know if you know this, but I took a special effects makeup class kind of, well, like a stage makeup class a couple years ago. And in order to kind of pass the class, I had to make an entire Pinterest board of bruises. So, like, we could actually study how to do that with makeup. Yeah, I'm living fully into my bruised eye makeup self. Or like tired or sickly or something. I'm gonna go hang out with friends after this too, so here's hoping they don't ask too much what's wrong with me. I'm gonna just keep on building up with a red ochre a little bit, just because I do kind of want to bring it over a little bit more. I didn't realize how like fully bruisey this would look, or like sickly or whatever, but I kind of like it because I'm a creepy person. So now I only have one shade left that I need to play with, and then I need to figure out a way to make this look kind of glam and intentional. Hopefully the shade will help with that a little bit, because that is just Vermeer here, and I'm going to just pop that on my inner corner on top of the red. No, that doesn't look as good as I thought it would. Never mind. False alarm. I'm not doing that. Well, now I don't know what to do with it. I think I'm just going to put a little bit of Vermeer. That could make a good brow bone shade, honestly. That's where it's gonna go. Yeah, because I don't really need any like shimmer on the lid because I really like this grungy effect that this is having. And I don't want it to like get shimmery and glitzy and glam because that's, while that is a pretty solid everyday look for me, apparently that's not what I'm gonna look like today. I'm not gonna do eyeliner with this, but I definitely need some mascara. I'm gonna just do that and the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I actually really love how this look turned out. So for my mascara, I actually ended up using, well, it went somewhere, but it was the brown mascara from the e.l.f. and J. Kissa collection, and for my lipstick, I am wearing Matte Beauty by Milani with a little bit of the Fluid wet lip gloss over top of it, just like a tiny little hint of it, so it's like not entirely matte. I kind of decided to just like put on a little extra highlighter and glowy blush, that way this eye look might look a little bit more intentional, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with how this look turned out, even though it is definitely on the strange side and not what I thought it was gonna turn out like. So yeah, that's my half of the face off. Please, please, please go check out Lisa's video. I am really excited to see what she comes up with because, like I said in the introduction, she always comes up with like the greatest eye looks. I really love her creativity and her passion and everything that she comes up with. I always love looking to her channel and her Instagram for inspiration. So yeah, I'm really, really excited. So anyway, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe down below if you want to see more videos from me. And I'll see you on my next one. Hope you'll have a wonderful day. Bye!